This is the best banana puff puff recipe that you can make. There are two secret ingredients that added to this recipe that will take your banana puff puff from 0 to 100, so stick around. We am using two medium-sized banana. Whether it is medium ripe or very ripe, just mash it and set aside. We are using 500 gram of flour. I'm just going to add in all my ingredients in no particular order. They are mostly your dry ingredients, your sugar, your salt, your instant yeast, or your active dry yeast. I am using instant yeast, so I'm going to add it directly to my flour. After mixing my dry ingredients together, I'm going to go on now to add in vanilla flavor. This is one of the secret ingredients you wouldn't want to skip out of your banana puff puff recipe. I am adding blended onions and pepper mix. I blended mine to be a bit smooth, not so smooth, because my kids won't like bits and pieces of pepper and onions in their banana puff puff. They won't eat it. After which I added 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon of your butter. You can decide to skip the butter, but it takes my puff puff to another level. Then I'm going to go on now to add in my water once I mix all the ingredients together. Add in your pepper and onions mix. Just add to taste. This pepper I used was really hot or peppery, so I just added 1 tablespoon. Mix your butter with warm water until you get this consistency. Then go on now to cover and allow it to proof in a warm environment for 45 minutes to 1 hour. If this is your first time of stopping by Debbie's Kitchen, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much for your subscription. We'll try our best to give you the best on Debbie's Kitchen. And if you're contemplating subscribing, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe to Debbie's Kitchen, do like and share, comment and tell me what you think about this recipe. Anyone can make it. Remember, there are 2 secret ingredients. One is your vanilla flavor. I will tell you the second one later on in this video. This is after proofing. Make sure your fingers are wet. Mix your butter again. This is very important. This will help deflate the air and the bubble in your butter. Makes it easy for you to cut or scoop your butter into your fairly hot oil. At this stage, go on now to place your oil in the fire and get ready to fry. You are frying on medium heat. Make sure your oil is hot. If it isn't hot, your puff puff will absorb so much oil. If it is too hot, your puff puff will cook on the outside while being raw on the inside. I'm just going to continue scooping my butter into the oil. If my butter gets very sticky or they're getting stuck to my fingers, I'm just going to wet my fingers again and keep scooping my butter into the oil, stirring continuously until we have this golden brown look. This golden brown look, guys, is so yummy. Now, the number 2 ingredients I added to my puff puff recipe to make it look this fluffy and yummy is your baking soda. I added half tablespoon of baking soda to this recipe. Don't worry, the detailed ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. Take your puff puff out of the oil, set in a sieve or serviette to strain excess oil, and this is what we get at the end of the day, guys. If you don't like puff puff, you will like this one. Thank you so much for stopping by Debbie's Kitchen. Do like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.